Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer benefits for seasonal businesses. As a founder who's dealt with major sales swings, I know the struggle of seasonality. One month you're booming. The next your cash flow is a trickle, but your bills haven't changed. That's where Wayflyer truly shines, especially with its revenue-based financing. The biggest, most straightforward benefit is the flexible repayment structure. Unlike a traditional bank loan, where you have a fixed monthly payment regardless of how sales are doing, Wayflyer's repayments are a percentage of your daily sales. Think about that. In a slow month, when every penny counts, your repayment amount automatically drops. It scales down with your revenue. This protects your cash flow during those quiet off seasons. You're not scrambling to meet a huge fixed payment when sales are low. The second key benefit is securing inventory funding before the peak season hits. Seasonal businesses need to buy stock months in advance of their big sales period. You need to pay suppliers in August to sell in November. Wayflyer allows you to access capital quickly, often within 24 to 48 hours, to make those crucial inventory purchases. This is non-dilutive capital, meaning you don't give up equity in your company, and it's fast. Traditional lenders can take weeks, which is time you simply don't have when planning for a seasonal spike like Black Friday or the summer rush. Finally, a major advantage is the transparency and speed. Their model is a single, fixed fee on the capital you receive. No hidden interest rates that compound over time. You know the exact cost up front. Plus, their underwriting process is largely based on your e-commerce platform performance data, not just your personal credit score or collateral. They understand the real-time health of a digital business, which makes them a true partner for navigating those predictable, yet often stressful, seasonal cash flow cycles. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.